You're welcome. You're welcome to today's edition of How Igbo Women Tie Their Scarf. Okay, I'm trying to imitate my grandmom, how my grandmom normally tie their scarf. Even to date, they are still doing it. Let's go! Please rate me, guys, if I tried it, if I got it exactly how they do it. One. Oh, yeah. Some do it like this. They'll just take it like this and tie it to their back. And tie it to their back like this. Tie it to their back like this and go where they're going. Number one. Number two style. Okay. Some tie it like this. Okay, it's kind of short. Bring it to the front. Then tie it here. Tie it here like this. The wrist tie. They'll bring it to the like this and tie it by the side. And draw it down like this. 4. They'll bring it, tie it like this, and try to put it inside. And try to put it inside. Five. Okay. They'll bring it like this, like kind of fold it like this, fold it, 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 fold it. Do the same with this, do the same with this. Then they will do it like this. Oh, that's losing. Let's do it again. They'll just put it inside, and it becomes like this. Bye bye. Please comment to know if I tried it. Thank you.